Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. Please go ahead and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check it out. So what I'm doing for you today, I get asked a lot about, do I have my baffle in or my baffle out of my 4-in-1 full VooDoo exhaust. I've already done one review on this exhaust, but that was with my old setup and mic quality was absolutely horrendous. So this first run I'm about to do, this is going to be with the baffle completely out. I'm just going to do a drive off and then coming back, and then I'll do one flyby, and then I'll put the baffle in and do the same thing, starting from the same spot. The camera's going to stay in the same spot the whole time, so you'll get this the same audio, okay? But all the audio, once I start riding, is going to be straight from my camera, the other camera. So it's the same camera audio, same everything. It's not going to come from the GoPro. Alright guys. Alright guys, well welcome back. Finally got the freaking baffle back in the bike. So this is my run with the baffle in.